Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, April 29th, 2021. It is Think About It Thursday. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast we have sausage biscuit, and for lunch fish. Tomorrow we have Pop-Tart, and for lunch hot dog. Today's birthdays, we only have one birthday again today, and again today, just like yesterday, it's another teacher. Today is Miss Edenfield's birthday, so happy birthday, Miss Edenfield. Lots of celebrating going on down there in first grade this week with 2 birthdays. A reminder for today, put the yearbook order forms and money in your envelope and place it in your snack bags. Miss Smith will be out today, but she will be filling those orders as soon as she gets them. I know she's ordered some more yearbooks as well, so just stay tuned. Late duty today is Miss Heichman, and tomorrow is Miss Bolton. Coming up tomorrow, we have Feel Good Friday. Teachers, your money is due for the lunch orders. If you want to order those, it's due today. Our iReady Third Diagnostic is opening up next week. We have that schedule out for testing. May 5th through the 9th is also Teacher Appreciation Week. Candace Tracy will be here during extended PE on the 5th. May 6th is Nurse Appreciation Day. May 10th is another faculty meeting. May 25th is the 5th grade transition programs at 9 and 10 a.m. May 25th are the end of the year celebrations. May 26th is the last day for students, and May 28th is the last day for teachers. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.